Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you modify your PIN code into Bitget. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to modify your PIN code into Bitget, you just simply have to open your Bitget application at very first. Then go to the profile option of Bitget. Just simply select your profile from here, and after selecting your profile, tap to security section. Now after coming into this security section, just simply scroll down to all the way bottom and you will get to see this option of PIN code. Select PIN code, and after selecting PIN code, you will get this option of modify PIN code directly. Simply select modify PIN code, and after that you can enter a new PIN code for your Bitget. Just simply enter a new PIN code into upper box and confirm the new PIN code by entering the same PIN code into second box. Then tap to submit button and you will get to see a review page where you have to enter 3 codes, one from email option and second from phone number and third one from your authenticator application. Then your PIN will successfully be modified. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.